Hi guys, my name is Robert Baldinger and I started riding adventure motorcycles at the age of 47 with little to none experience with motorbikes at all before that. And of course I got the comments, getting a motorcycle, midlife crisis, eh? But it actually has nothing to do with the fear of getting old and trying to look young again. I'm 53 now and my life after 40 has actually been the best time of my life so far, so there's hope for you. So this is the first episode in a series of videos that I'm planning on starting adventure riding after 40, because that's happening a lot now, and why it's not only a good idea, but actually could be life-changing for you, as it was for me. So the first episode is the reasons, and I have 5 reasons why you should start adventure riding. So let's get started with number 1. So I lived a very traditional life where, between my 20s and 30s, I got a job, I met my wife, we got kids, we got a house and all of that. Spent every penny, hour and thought about that. But after 40, I noticed everything got more relaxed. I was experienced at work and my kids didn't need my time as much and economy was at least not strained. And now I'm over 50, I work a bit less. 2 of my oldest kids have moved out. My oldest son, he ate for 500 euros a month, food only. And how do I afford this bike and the new one I bought? It's half, the down payment of a new bike is half just what he ate. So economy-wise, that's a big race. So now we have a lot more time and we need to find a new purpose in life, and economy is hopefully better. And we also have another thing that makes it really good to actually start adventure riding, and that's experience. And that's why starting to ride motorcycles at the age of 40 is a good idea. You already have years of experience in traffic. Hopefully your patience with other people is a little bit more tolerant. You don't feel the need to impress other people as much and look cool and do stunts and stuff like that. And actually not giving a rat's ass about what other people think is one of the great things of getting older. And adrenaline rush is, of course, still a factor, but I feel that for every year I enjoy also just the feeling on being on a motorcycle, enjoying the ride, liking my life from a bike and so on. The enjoyment part takes a bigger part of motorcycling. So it's not all about just keeping adrenaline level up high. So the next category I call to recalibrate your reference plane for happiness. So how can a fisherman on an island somewhere be as happy or even happier than a Beverly Hills millionaire? And that's because happiness is strongly linked to expectations. The Beverly Hills dude, he has quite high expectations of every day in life. And when you exceed those expectations, you feel happy. And in our life, as we get older, we suffer from something I call expectations creep. And that's where our expectations of life, the 0 level, just becomes a little higher all the time. And it takes more for every year to exceed that level. We take things for granted. So the task is to lower that bar, to be happier for more things. And motorcycle adventures is one of the best ways that I found that I do that thing with pleasure. A motorcycle trip means that you can only bring the minimum bare necessities on your trip, and learning to live and understand that you don't need much more is helping you lower that bar of expectations. And you go through weather and obstacles, and sometimes you need help, which is very important, from your fellow riders or from locals. who share their help or hospitality with you. These experiences have changed my view on the world and my life, because I'm a privileged man living in a peaceful, rich Western country, and the bar of expectations is unnecessarily high. So this has really made me appreciate my luck in the lottery of life, and lowered my bar of expectations, and just makes me a happier person. Then we have mental health, and that is something I guess we're struggling with a lot in the West world, with all the pressures from work and economy and not having the latest iPhone. So here's a few science facts. That a study from UCLA showed that riding a motorcycle reduced stress hormone markers by 28%. So riding a motorcycle relieves stress. And the same study about motorcycle riding noted changes in brain activity during riding that indicated heightened alertness, similar to the effects of coffee. And it also showed that we get exercise from just riding the motorcycle, with heart rate 11% increase and adrenaline levels 27 from riding. And that's a light exercise, which also helps with mental health. And riding a motorcycle also activates your brain a lot more than driving a car. You need to keep a different kind of focus and balance, and you're constantly aware of your surroundings, smell and everything, and it produces endorphins. And these things together helps slow the aging process, with the decline and race towards dementia. So it's actually an antidote, not to get you younger, but slow the aging process. And then we have communities, and as humans, we're wired to seek community for sense of belonging and identity and support and shared sense of purpose. And this is what social media has tapped into, and that's not always a good thing, with all the hate groups and flat earthers out there. But motorcycle communities is truly a force for good. If you meet a fellow motorcycle rider, you often have a friend for life, regardless of sex, color, religion, or even bike brand. And if you need help, another biker will help you. And I have experienced that a lot. People going out of their way to assist you in something. You share a problem and people are just there to assist you. And that also makes me want to help other bikers. So bikers are used to helping, and that's why you often see charity rides among bikers also. We create these charity events to gather money for some project somewhere. So the community with bikers is very strong. So those are my 5 reasons why you should start adventure motorcycle riding after the age of 40. And a good place to start is attending events to meet fellow bike riders and learn from them and get new friends. So you can check out the Outdoor Festival that I went to, just to get a glimpse of that. And I look forward to making more videos in this series of getting people started after 40. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. It helps my new channel. And then we'll see each other in the next one. Bye-bye.